Hi, I'm a parent and a grandparent, and for this reason, I'm asking for your support. Please join me in the fight to help protect our children. Please go to www.thepetitionsite.com/1/Trinity's Law. That's www.thepetitionsite.com/1/Trinity's Law, and urge lawmakers to toughen the laws on sex crimes against children. I'm also here to help educate young women and young ladies on making better choices and better decisions in choosing a mate. Someone who is going to be in the immediate circumference of our children. We want to make sure that this is someone that we can trust. I didn't always make those right choices and those right decisions. I chose someone who I was in a relationship with and was married to for 16 years who molested my 6-year-old granddaughter. Now, although this crime only happened once, and although it was reported immediately and he was arrested immediately, he only got 5 years. For aggravated sexual assault of a child, a first-degree felony, a crime that carries 25 to life, he got 5 years. And this is because the district attorney was able to plea bargain with a sex offender. This is what Trinity's Law is all about. Trinity's Law calls for no plea bargaining in any sex crime. It also calls for electronic monitoring for sex offenders. Right now, all sex offenders have to do is register with the Sex Offender Registry, which is a database that doesn't keep up with the sex offenders. They are generally repeat offenders. Some people say they can't be cured. I don't know. Generally, they reoffend. Now, let's talk a little bit more about what happened in my situation. The reason why I'm urging young women to make better choices and better decisions, because no one knows better than me the guilt, the shame, the devastation, the pain that a crime like this causes a child, the family that is attached to this child. There is all types of counseling and therapy that has to be obtained because of this. I ignored the signs. I ignored that inner voice within me that told me this guy should not be around not only my child, let's know my grandchildren, but because he was Mr. Look So Good, I ignored the signs. I ignored the voice that told me this. We as women, we know when a guy is not right. You know when they're dealing with the anger problem, when they've got something going on that just is unseemly, that you know is not right. Get away from them. Get your children away from them. Because of this terrible crime that happened to my granddaughter, I now run a nonprofit organization out of my home, We're Mothers Against Pedophiles, MAP for short. Please visit the website, www.weirmap.org. That's WEREMAP.org. April 2011, coming up here, is Child Abuse Prevention Month. Pedophilia is a form of child abuse. It's a crime that is all too often not reported. You have mothers, you have grandmothers, you have aunts, uncles, cousins, neighbors that know a child is being hurt, that know a child is being molested, and won't report it, won't tell anybody. If you know of a situation that this is going on, please tell somebody. Please call the police. Please report it. Tell a teacher, a counselor, the mailman. Tell somebody. Our children deserve our protection. My granddaughter did not get my protection. She didn't receive that. And again, no one more than me. And I know that I'm going to get those comments, those YouTube comments that say, well, lady, it's for you deserve it. Now you see what happens when you don't protect your children. I know that I'm going to get those people that says, oh, well, you should have been watching. You should have been looking. That's fine. I understand all that. But I'm urging the women who might be in a situation like mine to get out. I'm urging you to make better choices. If you have children, if you have little ones, grandmothers, aunts, uncles, if you're taking care of children like I was, please make better choices, make better decisions in choosing a mate, someone who is going to be around your children. don't end up like me. Don't end up in my situation. But now I'm breaking the silence. Now I'm standing up. I'm fighting. I'm advocating for our children. I'm advocating for tougher laws on sex crimes against children. Thank you for listening to this message. Thank you for your support, and God bless.